Hi, I'm George Sichler, retired NYPD Special Operations, current firefighter, EMT, hazmat technician, and rescue technician. Here to talk. All right, so here's my personal firearm. All right, we're showing it safe, clear, and empty at that point. This way, I have faith in Fast Act to not do any sort of damage to my particular firearm. So what we want to do, right, we're always concerned about maintaining custody and control of our sensitive equipment, especially our firearms. We're never going to hand that over to another non-police officer. So it's not going to go into the hands of, fire, EMS, or anything along those lines. So if I suspect that this is contaminated, it's off on a flat surface where I can decon it my hands or whatever, from wearing gloves. But at the end of the day, what I want to do is kind of come in here and start to pat that firearm down, flip it on over, pat the main gross surfaces, right? And we get some powder on it. You can kind of see the powder coming onto it at that point. Next thing I'm going to want to do is, if I feel I need to kind of get into the nooks and crannies of around the optic, the weapon light, anything along those lines, I can go into the smaller areas by using the wipe, right? So if I just kind of close that slide there, it's closed at that point. I can kind of get in and around the light, get in and around the trigger guard, get in and around the optics, all those different things that I'm not able to kind of get with the mitt. I can kind of fine tune into those spots right there, make sure that I've got that contamination contained and also neutralized at that point.